Hi friend, I am Gautam Kumar and you are watching my YouTube channel Tricky Way. In today's video, I will explain a tricky process. By this process, you can get your answer just fast as a calculator. Your brain will work like a calculator. Okay, so let's start. Today, I am going to multiply 5321 into 8972. I want to multiply this 4-digit number. So, what will be the answer? The answer is So the answer is 47740012. So by applying these tricks, you just look at the number and perform some calculations in your mind and you get the result. Okay. So I'm going to illustrate it, but for that, please you watch the video till the end, because each and every step for this calculation is very much important to solve. Okay. So what I am going to do, I want to multiply 19 by 19. Okay. So you need not to remember the 19 table. I just, for the sake of your understanding, I just write the number multiple of time. Okay. So, like what I am going to do, I just box the number. I just box the number. And the multiplication of this box is your desired result. Okay. So, I just write here carry and answer. So 9 into 9 equal to 81. So answer will be 1 and carry 8. Okay. Now cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means 9 into 9, 9 into 1 equal to 9 plus 9 into 1 equal to 9 equal to 18. Okay, I just multiply this number, cross multiplication is here, and add the values. Okay, so the result is 18 and we have already carry 8. 18 plus 8 equal to 26. 26. So 6 and 2 is your carry. 2 is your carry. Now multiply this 1 into 1. 1 into 1. 1 into 1 means 1. 1. And we have already carry 2. So 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So the answer is 361. So 19 into 19 equal to 361. Means you can easily multiply any number by this process. Okay. So here you can easily understand that square can be performed by this process. So it is your answer, and I'm going to discuss the next part, which is it is 2-digit number, and I'm going to perform next problem with 3-digit number. Okay. Now moving to our next trick for the multiplication of 3-digit number. Again, I just, for the sake of your understanding, I just write the number multiple of time. So what I am going to do, I just box the number. And you know, the multiplication of this box is our desired result. What operation will be performed here? Multiplication. I just write here carry and answer. Okay. So first we have to multiply the last digit. Mean 2 plus 2. Mean 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So the answer is 4. Then cross multiplication. 9 into 2 equal to 18 plus 5 into 2 equal to 10 equal to 28. So 8 answer and carry 2. Okay, is it clear? Okay, now cross multiplication and straight multiplication. Means 2 into 1 equal to 2 plus 3 into 2 equal to 6 plus 9 into 5 equal to 45. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? So what is the result is 53. 53, and we have carry 2. 53 plus 2 equal to 55. 5 is the answer and 5 is the carry. Okay. Now cross multiplication. Again cross multiplication. 9 into 3 equal to 27. 27 plus 5 into 1 equal to 5 equal to 32. And we have carry 5. 32 plus 5 equal to 37. So 7 is the number answer and carry 3. Okay. And our last operation is 3 into 1. 3 into 1 equal to 3. And we have our carry 3. So 3 plus 3 equal to 6. 6. So the answer is 67584. 352 into 192 equal to 67584. Is it clear? I hope it is very easy to understand. Okay. Now I am going to share on 4-digit number multiplication. Okay. Now moving to our next problem. It is a 4-digit multiplication, and it is very complex. And same thing is applicable for this problem also. You just box the number. It is clear. Now cross multiplication. Okay, let's start. Write here carry and answer. 2 into 1 equal to 2. So answer 2, and 2 into 2 4, plus 7 into 1 equal to 7. 7 into 1 equal to 7. 7 plus 4 equal to 11. 11. We don't have carry, so 1 and carry 1. Okay? Carry 1. Now 3 into 2 equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6, plus 9 into 1 equal to 9. 9 plus 7 into 2 equal to 14. 7 into 2 equal to 14. Equal to 29. 29. And we have a carry. Equal to 29 plus 1 equal to 30. 30, 0 and carry 3. Carry 3. So it is complicated. I hope it is complicated because we have to multiply 5 into 2. 5 into 2 equal to 10, plus 8 into 1 equal to 8, plus cross multiplication is there. 3 into 7 equal to 21, plus 9 into 2 equal to 18. So the sum is equal to 57. 57. And we have carry 3. 57 plus 3 equal to 60. 60, 0, carry 6. Carry 6. And now 5 into 7, 35. 35 plus 8 into 2. 8 into 2 equal to 16, plus 9 into 3 equal to 27. Is it clear to you? Okay. I hope all the steps, you understand all the steps which have been done by me. Okay. So what is the result? What is the result? $78. And we have carry 6. 78 plus 6 equal to 84. 84. Answer 4 and carry 8. Carry 8. Now 3 into 8 equal to 24 plus 9 into 5 equal to 45. And 45 plus 24 equal to 69. 69. And we have 8 carry. Equal to 69 plus 8 equal to 77. 77 means 7 and carry 7. Carry 7. Okay. Now 8 into 5. 8 into 5 equal to 40. 40. And we have carry 7. So 40 plus 7 equal to 47. 47. So if we multiply 5321 by 8972, then the answer is 477,40012. Okay, is it clear? We can perform the square operation by this method also, like 25 square. Then write it 25. What we have to do? 5 into 5 equal to 25. 25, 5, 2 carry. Cross multiplication 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 10 equal to 20. 20 plus 2 equal to 22. So 2 and carry 2. 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 plus 2 equal to 6. So 25 square equal to 625. Okay. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe for more videos. Thank you.